guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a nighttime routine. If I do sound a little fussy, it's because I'm super sick. My nose is super stuffy, that's why I sound like that, but I'm feeling a little better. That's why my nose is like a little red over here, because I've been blowing my nose out like crazy. But anyways, I'm going to be showing you guys my little nighttime routine. Today is Saturday. It's currently 5 o'clock in the afternoon. No, sorry, 6 in the afternoon. I'm about to go take a shower right now. And yeah, so I already took out my pajamas. Well, this is not really pajamas. This is just some rompers I took. This is what I'm going to put on. Now I'm about to go shower. And yeah, my daughter's over there in the living room with my mom. So I'm about to go shower before she starts crying. And yeah, I'm gonna go shower, and I'll see you guys in a bit once I shower. All right, so I came out the shower. I put lotion on. This is the lotion I put. It smells super good. I got it from the beauty supply. And then I'm just gonna put deodorant on. And that's it for now. And I just put this bumper jumpsuit on. I switched it because it's kind of cold. And now I'm about to go get my baby, see what's going on with her. She's tired or she's hungry. And then I'm going to clean up the room a little bit. I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I'm done, I put pajamas on my daughter. She's over here playing with the box of Pampers. I don't know. She was over here scratching the box. So she was using size number 2. So now I'm about to just clean this out. And then now that she's using size number 3, clean this out. And that's what I'm gonna do for my nighttime routine. Just clean out my room and put everything where it goes. See? This is the end of this video. I already prepared her bottles. I have 4 bottles there, 4 ounces of water, and I just leave the cereal and the milk ready, and that's it. And she's over here sleeping. My beautiful baby's sleeping already. I'm about to edit this video, and I hope you guys enjoy my nighttime routine. Bye.